So here you are going up in the elevator the way you would go to your rooms. We were put on the 5th floor. The room is 560, I believe. Now what I like is that they have a wristband that is your room key. And everybody who gets the wristband basically has the room key access. So that means you could go to the water park and you don't need to carry anything. This wristband is able to pay for stuff, get in your room, etc.
I'm gonna check if it works.
Okay.
Yo.
I don't think this is the right room.
Why?
Cause where's everything? So I thought we had the wrong room because our room was supposed to have a 2-bedroom, but it's actually connected to where the bathroom is. So there's a door and then another door and then there's the bathroom. It's really nice actually. Check out the layout for yourself. Good life.
Having a good day. Having a good day.
Good life, huh?
Life is roadblocks, and don't let nobody surpass you. Sometimes you're gonna have tough challenges. Those are the roadblocks. Together, we can stop the roadblocks.
That was some wise words from Gabriel the Great, my nephew. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!